Okay, hello guys, welcome to the another Angular tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to learn about the ngFor loop in Angular. Okay, so ngFor loop is, many of you developers are already aware about how to use the for loop in any programming languages. So you might aware about this for loop. Okay, so similar kind of way we can able to use the ngFor but inside our HTML. Okay, so what we are going to do is we are going to take one array and we are going to display the list array list item here. Okay, in HTML. Okay, so what we are going to do is we will take some subject list. Okay, so I will make the subjects array and I write some random subjects, math, English and IT. Okay, so I have taken the three subjects inside our subjects array. Okay, and in our HTML file okay, so in our HTML file I am going to loop inside our unordered list. Okay, I will take one unordered list. Okay, so I will write here star ngFor. Okay, so we are using the for loop like this. So let subject individual subject of the subjects array. Okay, so this is the our array subjects name. You can see here subjects, we are using the same name here. And if I write here inside the curly braces the subject, so it will going to display me our subject list. See, you can able to see that maths, English and IT will getting displayed. Okay, so this is how we are using the ngFor loop in Angular. But suppose we have to display some objects. Okay, so how to use this array with the objects? Okay, so for objects, so syntax is like this. Okay, inside array we have, suppose the name of the subjects is math, and suppose I am giving the standard, so std I am giving the short form. Okay, standard 10th. Okay, and similar way I just copy paste out here English, sorry, standard 8 and CIT standard 9. Okay, so what I am going to display here is I want to display individual name and standard inside our HTML. Okay, so what I am going to do here is I'll take some one div and write here subject and write the subject name like this, but not like this. We are having our subject inside our name. Okay, so name we have to write after the subject to subject dot name. See, automatically we will get here, and we will write another div, or we can write inside the same div. Here we can write the standard, and here we can write std. So that's it. So we can able to display this list also. See, subject maths standard 10, subject English standard 8, subject IT standard 9. Okay, so 10 8 9, 10 8 9 maths English IT. So we can able to see this, our project is successfully running. So this is how we are able to display the array with the objects inside our ngFor loop. So thank you guys for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much.